Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Today, we're diving into a feature-packed device that's turning heads in the tech world, the QDDQ P80 Android 14 tablet. It's not just a tablet, it's a full two-in-one productivity powerhouse with a keyboard, mouse, stylus, and more. Let's see if this device really lives up to the hype. The QDDQ P80 tablet runs on the latest Android 14, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. With 12 GB RAM, that's 4 GB built-in and 8 GB extended, and 128 GB of storage, multitasking is seamless, and there's more than enough space for apps, photos, and files. Need more? You can expand it up to 1 TB with a microSD card. Visually, it's a treat. The 11-inch 2K IPS display is vibrant and sharp, featuring Widevine L1 support, which means HD, streaming on platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. Plus, its laminated screen reduces blue light, protecting your eyes during long sessions of reading or watching. Under the hood, an Octa-core processor keeps everything running fast and cool. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing, the performance remains smooth. The 8,000 mAh battery keeps the tablet powered throughout the day, offering extended usage without frequent charging. Connectivity is strong too. With dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz/5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0, and GMS certification, you'll have access to the full Google Play ecosystem. The dual cameras, 5-megapixel front and 8-megapixel rear, are great for video calls and casual photos. Dual speakers also enhance your media experience with clear, immersive sound. Best of all, this tablet transforms. Included in the box are a keyboard, mouse, stylus, and protective case, turning your tablet into a flexible workstation. Whether you're working, studying, or relaxing, it's a reliable companion that blends portability and productivity. So, is the QDDQ P80 worth it? For anyone looking for an affordable, all-in-one Android tablet with premium features, this might be the one. It's versatile, powerful, and comes fully loaded right out of the box. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Got questions about the tablet? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.